Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Just got a parcel in today from Funkey Monkey. Funkey Monkey just been chatting and he just had a few locks he wanted to get rid of, and I'm going to send him a few locks back as well. And funny story, Australia Post, this is the posting company in Australia, sent me a notification this morning 8:35 AM that this package was in the next suburb over, and that is a 5-minute walk from here. It is now 4:30 in the afternoon and it just arrived. So that's the service we have here in Australia. So anyway, let's see what he's put in there. Snip, 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 snip. It's actually quite hefty. You see, he's got a couple of locks to get rid of to clear his bench, but this is quite weighty. Okay, need a sharp thing. Alright, so let me go through here. I'm only running on about 1 hour sleep. The sun was after I finished making the Lotto Lock Tuesday video last night, he was awake all night and I'm running on 1 hour sleep. So if I'm delusional, forgive me. I'm just very tired. So I don't know what that is, but that might be just filler, I'm not sure. So got a bag of locks, so stock locks. Awesome. So we have a Lockwood, so like a Lockwood 570 oval. Awesome. Am I holding that up right? I am, yep, cool. A Yale. Ha. This is my first Yale. Rim cylinder. Cool. Play around with that one. And this one is a Fortress. Nice. Yeah, it's got the Yale keyway on it. Might be a C4 keyway. Yep, that fits in there as well. Make sure that one goes with that one. Another Yale. It's got a 19 on there. I've got to get myself, oh, there's some keys in there that might actually fit the locks. And this is just a no brand cylinder with a Schlag style backing on it, and a C4 keyway I think too. And he sent me some keys, which I'm going to guess that's for the Yale. That's probably for this one here. Ha, guesses mate, guesses. Starting to know my keyways. Oh, just as I say it. Oh, look at that. Thanks so much, Funkey Monkey. That is awesome, mate. Got 2 Yales now. Sweet. Okay, I'll put that to the side for a second. Do the lock stuff first, I suppose. Oh, I see some challenge locks. I see some challenge locks. I see some challenge locks. These are my first challenge locks. Yes, I'm joyed. I'm very joyed. So we've got Randy Perkins. It's a something Fimble, something Door Corporation, White House. Okay. Challenge lock. Oh, look at that keyway, it's wide open in there. Might have a go at that one. And we from Thumper. I was just talking to Thumper today, I think on the Schlag. Yep. On YouTube comments. And this one's called Sucker Puck. Challenge locks, man. Yes. This one is by Funkey Monkey 33, FM 33. Sounds like a radio station. Tune into FM 33. And here, the Sapien. I like it. The Sapien with a mummified key. The Sapien. That's cool, man. And that's pinned by BLP60 9617. So this is probably could tell some stories. I just closed that was in the open position. So good. And we've got a Euro style one here. And this is by Crank number 8. Half the Fun. Works beautifully. 5-pinner Euro. So that's the challenge locks. Oh wow. And I love lottos. And this is a lotto. Oh my god. What have you sent me? This is a slider, is it? Oh wow. Okay. I need to research how to do my sliders. I do have a specially built pick that I built for the EVA 3KS for from LPU. Yeah, I'll figure that one out. Thank you so much, Funky Monkey. That's bloody awesome, mate. And a whole bunch of pins. Yes, been dying for pins and drivers, all that. Thank you so much. And we got talking on just emailing back and forth. You know, you see my videos on all the different projects I've been doing, and one of them is making pick handles. So he's sent a whole bunch of different types of wood. I don't really know my wood that good. I'm not a carpenter. I don't know the different types, but that is awesome looking grain there. That will look awesome on a pick, I reckon. And look at that one there. Nice, very nice. And that one there, that's quite a hardwood, that one. Oh, look at that! I don't know if you can see that. Sort of like a marbling effect to it. Jeez, these will look nice, polished up and everything. Wow, thank you, Funky Monkey. That is awesome, mate. I really appreciate it. Everyone, check out Funky Monkey's channel and subscribe to him if you haven't already. Yeah, you won't be disappointed. He's a very skillful picker, and obviously a very generous guy, as you can see. Oh wow! Oh my god, there is something in here. I thought this was filler, but oh wow! Oh wow! Oh, check out that beauty! Oh my god, I actually got the custom pick in the offset hybrid. Wow! Isn't that something? I don't know who this was made by. If you made this, Funky, you have some skills, man, because this is, it's quite heavy actually. It's full tang. And the shine on that is just bloody marvellous. Yeah, I'm lost for words, mate. Yeah, thank you so much, Funky. That's bloody awesome, mate. Thanks, brother. I'll be making good use of this in picking these. Yes, I'll give this a good run. I think that's 20 thousandths or 25 thousandths. Probably feels like 20. But yeah, that is awesome. Thanks so much, brother. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Just a quick package opening, and I'll be getting these on camera as soon as I can. Just got to do some practice, and yeah, and then I'll be passing them on. I'll be making some stuff out of this too, and yeah, that's about it. I've got to figure out how to open this slider lock. Awesome. Alright, that's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.